If you really want it, you do what you've got to do, make it come to life. Always follow who you are. Come to life. You do what you've got to do, make it come to life.
I'm at Railway Golf Club.
Hello guys, it's Koimorethi with another beautiful video. We are back at Greenpark terminal a few days before its launch. Greenpark terminal will be launched by the end of April 2022. Greenpark matatu terminus is located at former Luna Park, and it will be a drop-off and pick-up point for matatus plying Ngong Road and Langata route. These matatus currently operate from the Nairobi Railway Central Station. Test runs were carried out in 2021, but delays followed following court cases opposing its commissioning. As part of the automation process, large screens will be made available at the station to display route information, vehicles loading and dropping, as well as queue starters. Nairobi Metropolitan Services (NMS) is set to begin automation of traffic management with the assistance of 4 Kenya Railway Corporation engineers. These engineers trained in China on automated traffic management according to NMS.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold an obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds, they can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. And when they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
If you are enjoying the video, then give me a like and subscribe for more on travel, infrastructure, and real estate. To my subscribers, thank you. And if this is your first time here, welcome home. Subscribe and let's celebrate Kenya and Africa. Thank you. I will see you on my next video.